Okay, I want to go on a glass bottom boat for my sunrise birthday, and I'm just coming over here to get a close-up look at it. And this is where I'll be leaving from at 4:35 a.m. Why this motherfucker got holes and shit in it? Why does it look like that on the bottomless? I guess that's not the same thing. That ain't what I was dreaming about. I can't afford this big mother hoobity ding ding dong ding ding right here. Oh Jesus, I can't afford that one either. But you know what? We might figure something out. There's a couple people want to go with me, so we'll see.